It's the first play 啊。
first play 啦，都看了，但是那边在打游戏，不接了，对了。
积极服务，做好路没有
？first play 啦，那边好一步，first play 啥，我们看了好，OK，也他 first play。
Johnny, I thought you were one leg. No, Johnny asked you to come on already. Hey, Johnny, I fucking wrecked you one leg, kid. Good luck. I wrecked you one leg. No. Yeah, what's up, baby? Should talk a lot of crap on the sideline. Just score, Johnny. Score for me. Bro, my team balling shit out of you. We gotta score, nigga. We gotta score, nigga. Back door! Back door! Man, fuck! So, because he got hat trick, yeah, because doesn't mean he's gonna kill you. That's what I said. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, exactly. Mousy, that PK, bro! Neymar died. He is Neymar! Chill out, bro. That's my cousin. Daddy, my tongue red. Hey, my cousin-in-law, for real. My cousin-in-law. Come here. Come here. Hey, come on, Halloween, dude. I just got to move out the car. They don't want to get me got hurt. His knee too, Dad. I know. That nigga start getting on the knees, bro. Yeah, man, see that? Very strong, you know. Oh, you. I'm about to say. Oh, no, oh, man. Oh, that's what you're doing. God, you did real time. Tell him you're right too. Wait, no, no! Come on, get! Go, slide him! Just slide it one time. Get that one time. Yo, send it over to Johnny! 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 I think Johnny got 2 points. Johnny, look how he got at Johnny! I think it's that one by the cousin right there. Johnny! Cameron! Still good, still good. What's up, boy? What's up, that my town? What's up? Ah! Fuck you, bitch! You drinking home! Ah! What's up? Hey, Jay, that my team. Hey, yo. Put another one, boys. Fuck you. See, I believe in them from the start. What's up, boy? Woo! Woo! You think you're a ball? Word! Come on, Johnny! Get him! Yo, two more! Come on! Yo, come on! Woo! Hey, Skins! Keep it up, Skins! Yeah, keep it up, Skins! Hold on! Send it to Johnny! Just send it to Johnny! No! Keep it high, come on, yo! Come on, John! Oh! Don't give up, Skins! Don't give up! Hey, come on, Brian, come on! Get him! Fuck it up! He said ABC blood. You can't use my mouth, guy. You use that, you said to kiss and shit. Hey, Skins. Hey, Skins. Come on, Skins. Ooh. No! Go on, defense. No. Yes. Yes. Come on. Do your best. I gotta hype y'all up a little bit. Come on, Skins. Hey, y'all black people, don't lose, man. Black folks don't lose. Oh, yeah! This is the easiest bet I ever made. Yeah, you hella scared right now. Yeah, shit. More like you hella scared. So you finally got up, huh? What's up? Whoa, look at my D. Whoa! Oh my goodness. My D is cock-hard, yo. It's no good. I got time drinking. That's it, my D is cock-hard. Whoa. I'll tell you. You got mad, bro. Hey, Ricky. Man up! Oh, get the ball, go! Yeah, baby, let's go. Oh, good D. Yo, sit Brian! Ooh, what a ball! Ooh! Oh, no! Johnny, what the fuck? Johnny, come on, man! Why you doing that? You do like that? Come on! First half for you? Yeah. Second half for you. We're going to play a little longer because it's fine. Coming on. Tell you, bro. Get
Oh, we got one trophy for Sugar King. Oh, we did, right?
Hey, yo, Johnny, run that back door! Johnny, score for me, okay?
I got one of them.
Come on.
God damn it.
Johnny? That's fire! Go, kid! Kid! Good case, man! Guys, over here!
So proud of you guys to come out and support us today. Again, we hope to see you again, okay? Okay.
Where's Laura? Team Chaos, congratulations, and we hope to see you guys again next year.
Take pictures for Hora.
Second place, Team Johnny. Thank you for coming out and supporting us. And even though it's a hot day, congratulations to both teams.
Awesome. Thank you.